This is 3 Watson Lane in Levant. It's a duplex, and it's right off Union Street, which is Route 222. It's a pretty quiet country location. There's a stream out back, lots of trees, pasture. It's pretty nice. The unit is pretty nice. It was totally redone a couple of years ago. And it's also pretty spacious. It's a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. Does have a washer dryer hookup in the half bath. The driveway comes in, it's all paved. It comes in over here, goes all the way down to the back where there is a garage that goes in behind. It is under the building, so it is attached. So it's interior to the unit, so you don't have to go outside. So we're looking at unit number 1. And again, this has all been redone in 2023. It's all beautifully redone. It does have the composite vinyl clip flooring everywhere. You have a little entryway here. There's some hooks up here on this wall. You do have some room down here for a boot tray or something like that. So you have a little entryway for almost like a little mini mudroom. And then you come into the living room, which is really, really good size. Plenty of room for a sectional couch, whatever, an entertainment center, whatever you might have for furniture. Not really much worry there if you have a lot of furniture. Granite countertops, which are beautiful as well. The walls are really a nice color. It's sort of a gray as opposed to being a white color. So it's a really nice, relaxing color, and the baseboards and so forth, the trim is a darker gray, so it's not your typical kind of white, boring color. Also matches well with the granite countertops. And also really nice high-end stainless appliances. Nice refrigerator, 5-burner glass top stove, built-in microwave, nice high-end dishwasher. The cupboards are very nice. They're the soft close. So you do have this nice in-faucet sprayer, nice high-end faucet, deep sink. And that overlooks the living room, so it's all open. Then you do have a half bath right here on the first floor, which includes washer dryer hookups right here. So it's very convenient. Again, granite countertops, soft closed drawers, little cupboard over here. And then these stairs go down to the garage. So the garage is actually a 2-car garage or 1.5-car garage, plenty of room. The heating system is down here too. This is your electrical panel right here, the bottom of the stairs. The garage is actually, again, a pretty good size. They have a nice mirror over there. Have the oil tank here. No need to worry about providing the oil because heat is included, so you don't have to worry about paying for that. There's your trash can. Casella does pick it up once a week. I think it might be Mondays here in Levant. There's your outside door. Garage door does have an automatic door opener. So get extra wide. Lots of room for storage in here. This door is just basically where your hot water tank is. It is a heated garage as well, so there's your thermostat right there for the heat. So always nice to have a heated garage if you like to putter around. And then this goes out to the back. So this is where the driveway comes around over here, along the side of the building, right down here. And comes around and you have parking back here. Super nice. Again, rural, country, quiet. It's October 1st today, so it's a really nice, beautiful, sunny fall day out here. Again, the plowing is included as well, so you don't have to worry about doing that. And this is the heating system right here, so, and again, you don't have to worry about that. They will service it, no worries there. And so you come in the garage and you come right up into the unit, up the stairway. So plenty of room on the first floor. It is a spacious unit overall, lots of square footage. And again, it does have that nice wood composite floor everywhere. It is very easy clean, pretty durable and water resistant. Ceiling fan here. And it also has it on the stairs, which is nice. It is beautiful to look at, but again, it's also pretty durable and easy clean. These are nice and wide, easy to maneuver, and it does have this nice window up here at the top of the stairs. And then here is the full bath, which has a nice tub shower. Also has a linen closet right here. Granite countertops again, and your soft closed drawers. And then two really good sized bedrooms. Let's look at the master first. Really, really good size. It does have its own thermostat up here, so you can keep it separate from what you would have downstairs. So there's a little extra room down here. You might use it as a sitting area. Put a chair in here and read. Even put a desk in here. It does have a window. Then you have your closet here. Really, really good sized closet. This does have a ceiling fan as well. And this is the second bedroom. Again, really, really good sized bedroom. This overlooks the backyard. And you do have a closet here, not as large as the other one, but still a really good size. And this has the ceiling fan light. Some people might use this as an office or a second bedroom, storage. But again, really, really good sized room. So these are pretty spacious units. Again, very well done, nicely constructed, pretty well thought out. There isn't really any reason why a person wouldn't like to live in Levant. It's a really, really nice little town. It's very quiet. You're only 10 minutes from Bangor and all the shopping at the airport. It's a great little spot. So if you're interested, give us a call at 207-974-6606 or visit our website at rentbangor.com.